2015 Honda CBR 1000. The starter was making loud clunking and grinding and high-pitched noise. I thought it was a starter, so I purchased a new starter, put it on. The same issue was happening. I took apart the clutch cover. And then I found out that it was the starter gear. The teeth are broken. You can see right there. So that was the issue the whole time. So now you just gotta remove the clutch basket. With this, you have to remove this 30mm 12 point. The whole thing comes off, and then you pull this gear out, replace it, and that's it. Problem fixed.